Okay, for 5, 8, they want us to find the value of this function for a lot of different values of x. So a, let's just go in order here, f of 1 equals, we have to substitute a 1 in for x, so 2 times 1 minus 3, right? So f of 1 equals 6 over 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So f of 1 equals negative 6. There's A. The next one, B, we'll do here, f of 0, so we put a 0 in for x, equals 6 over 2 times 0 minus 3. So f of 0 equals 6 over 0 minus 3, that's negative 3. So f of 0 comes out to be negative 2 for B. Okay, let's make some space. For C, we have f of negative 3. Again, we substitute negative 3 in, so we get 6 over 2 times negative 3 minus 3. So f of negative 3 equals 6 over 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, minus 3 is negative 9. So f of negative 3, we have to simplify, right? 3 goes into both those, 2/3, negative 2/3 for C. And for D, f of 1.5, f of 1.5. So we substitute 1.5 in, 2 times 1.5 minus 3. So f of 1.5 equals 6 over 3 minus 3, which is 0. So anything divided by 0 is undefined. So f of 1.5 is undefined. And then E, let's make some space. What value of x would make f of x 4? So what we're saying is, when would 6 over 2x minus 3 equal 4? I'm going to multiply both sides by 2x minus 3 to kind of get that out of the denominator. So 4 times 2x minus 3, 4 times 2x is 8x, 4 times negative 3 is negative 12, equals, these cancel, 6. So I have 8x equals, add 12 to both sides, 18, and x equals 18/8. But we can't leave 18/8, we have to reduce, so we get x equals 9/4. 9/4, that's right. That one isn't getting written nicely. Let's try again. 9/4. Okay, that's this. Here, I'll make it clear right over here. X equals 9/4 for E.